Sir, my question is, Vijayawada Airport comes under my parliamentary constituency. What is the new deadline for completion of this project?
I also come from the state, sir. It is the capital airport that we have. There has been subsequent delay. I've taken it up as a top priority, and the new deadline that we have fixed is June 2025, sir.
Father Yarana Naidu was my very dear friend Balu was there. Why second international airport in Calcutta is not taking shape, which is the desire and expectation of the people of Calcutta and Bengal.
Especially regarding Calcutta, sir, and definitely if the land is available and the state also supports, we are going to take it up positively, sir.
I'd like to congratulate a young and dynamic minister. We wish you very best as a part of DMK party. We really welcome you.
I'd like to thank the honorable senior member also who has given his blessings.
इस साल में पूर्णिया एयरपोर्ट का आप शिलान्यास करके 2 साल के अंदर क्या वहाँ विमान चालू करने का कोई आपका निर्णय है?
हमारे अधिकारियों से भी उन्होंने जानकारी ली है और जो भी थोड़ा जमीन का जो इशू था वो भी अभी सेटल होने वाला है.
पूरा जवाब परफेक्टली ये संसद के सत्र के अंदर
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के वजह से जो 74 एयरपोर्ट्स थे अब 157 हो गए सर पिछले 10 साल में. तो अब तैयारी करने के लिए 157 का करना पड़ रहा है सर.
There was a need which arose for the international airport in Puri. I just want to know what is the progress in this field.
It is a greenfield airport being made on PPP mode. The responsibility lies with the state government to construct the airport. और अगर राज्य हमें लिखता है कि प्रिंसिपल अप्रूवल चाहिए तो हम जरूर उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करके वो देंगे सर, पर अभी तक आया नहीं सर.
The same distance they are being charged 50,000, 60,000, sir, even to 85,000 for economic class.
After I took charge as the Minister for Civil Aviation, my immediate commitment to the people of this country was I want to make the air prices affordable. And the happy thing that the country should know is that we have 1,200 aircrafts on order, which is the highest in the world, sir. Customer is always the king. That is our priority in the ministry, sir.
But this is happening in software front. There is a conspiracy happening.
DGCA, which looks after this specific issue that you have said, so we are going to investigate that.
Whether the government is forming to set up a system to monitor all these cancellations.
There was a mass strike that has happened. Because of the strike, which is why there were a lot of cancellations that have happened also. Infrastructure around airports has increased so much in the last 10 years. A huge push has been given for Civil Aviation Ministry. And right now, the way members are raising up their demands and asking for new airports or connectivity, it was almost, if you go back 10 years or 20 years back, it used to be the demand with railways, sir. तब railways से पूछते थे कि ट्रेन चाहिए या फिर स्टॉप चाहिए. अब वो हालत एयरवेज में आ गया है सर. तो एयरवेज is the new railways of the country and I'm very proud about it.